Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking in on Apple. So we did break the high of yesterday by 5 cents, another little upper wick. The higher low pattern is maintaining the last 6 days, so 6 days of green, certainly a nice little uptrend. We're looking at key resistance. After the high of today, 97.70, I'm looking up at 98.41 as the next key level. And if we do see a pullback, if we see a break of 97.12, the low of today, that will be a break of the higher low pattern and have us looking at the 50-day moving average support. So my last video, I pointed out that this divergence between the bullish action in the S&P 500 and the bullish action in Apple, and today is a perfect example. SPY saw a gap up, saw a 0.8% move to the upside, and Apple was only able to get a 5-cent break and a higher high compared to its high of the day yesterday. So the fact that SPY gapped up, did not touch the high of yesterday, yet Apple was only able to break the high of yesterday by 5 cents, definitely shows that weakness. So we're looking for that resistance level, 98.41 and 98.47, a little double top there on June 14 and 15 as a potential pullback zone. And if we see some weakness in the markets before we get to that level, 95.84, the 50-day moving average support will be a target. I keep pointing out this pattern on the weekly, lower high, higher low, tightening range, looking for a lower high to form. And at most, I think we'll come up to this middle Bollinger Band, 99.67, before pulling back and setting a higher low again in the mid $90 range. So that's what I'm looking for to happen. We have a bearish to bearish MACD cross here, currently trending bullish due to the last bullish 3 weeks. And I think we're going to see a clear break in Apple, but I don't think it's going to happen for a couple of months. So we'll be watching this weekly pattern very closely because there will be some nice trading opportunity once we get a break from this tightening pattern and the volatility picks up, but I don't foresee it happening in the near-term future. Very strong bounce with the markets, and if we see the markets pull back, we will see Apple pull back as well. And it will be interesting to compare the downside magnitude of Apple compared to the S&P 500, as certainly it's not seeing the upside strength, and we'll see if it sees similar action to the downside or if it's weaker or if it's not as weak. That will be telling as well. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a good night.